The latest Samsung Galaxy S22 series has been announced, and here's everything you need to know about the lineup. Hey guys, Daanesh here from Tech Radar, and in the new series you'll find three phones. The Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus featuring designs similar to their predecessors, while the major design change comes with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which now is more like the Galaxy Note than ever before. While this is our first look at the smartphones, we will be publishing our full reviews of the devices in the near future. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it when we do. The Samsung S22 Ultra has that iconic rectangular look and an S Pen built right into it. This gives you access to all your favorite Galaxy Note features and offers a writing experience that's more natural than ever with a 2.8 millisecond response time down from 9 milliseconds. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is also the largest and most premium smartphone of the series. It features a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a QHD+ resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. With something called Vision Booster, the slightly curved display's brightness also peaks at an incredible 1750 nits, the most on any smartphone. Naturally, multimedia and productivity on the smartphone are a breeze, and we think even the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are positioned well for this. The Galaxy S22 hits the sweet spot for compact one-hand use with a 6.1-inch display, whereas the S22 Plus addresses the best of both worlds with a 6.6-inch panel. These are also dynamic AMOLED 2X boasting a 120Hz refresh rate, although they are flat unlike the curved panel on the S22 Ultra and offer Full HD+ resolution. The other major differences come up in camera and battery. So the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus boast a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel telephoto and 10 megapixel ultra wide lens. This is bumped up significantly on the Galaxy S22 Ultra with a wide 108 megapixel sensor, two 10 megapixel telephoto lenses with 3x optical zoom and 10x optical zoom respectively, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. You'll find features such as 100x space zoom, improved low-light photos and a better portrait mode on the Galaxy S22 series. But Samsung also intends to significantly improve video capture, with all smartphones capable of up to 8K 24 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second on all lenses. Given the different sizes of the smartphones, the batteries are also different. It's a 3700 mAh battery, 4500 mAh battery and 5000 mAh cell size respectively, going from the Galaxy S22 to the S22 Ultra. Both the Galaxy S22 Plus and S22 Ultra support 45 watt wired charging, but the S22 only has 25 watt wired, while all three support 15 watt wireless charging. But when it comes to their core, the smartphones are identical. They all sport durable designs with Armor Aluminium Plus, IP68 ratings, and the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. To pair, you'll also get all the smartphones starting at 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. So that's our quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup. What are you thinking of getting? Let us know in the comments below and stay tuned for more.